Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. The law of God is perfect. February 2nd. Attributes of God's law. The law of the Lord is perfect, converting the soul. Psalm chapter 19, verse 7. The law which God gave his ancient people were wiser, better, and more humane than those of the civilized nations of the earth. The law of the nations bear the marks of infirmities, of the passions, of the unrenewed heart, but God's law bears the stamp of the divine. The psalmist says, "The law of the Lord is perfect." How wonderful in its simplicity, its comprehension and perfection is the law of Jehovah. It is so brief that we can easily commit every precept to memory, and yet so far-reaching as to express the whole will of God and to take cognizance not only of the outward actions, but of the thoughts and intents, the desires and emotions of the heart. Human law cannot do this. They can deal with the outward action only. A man may be a transgressor and yet conceal his misdeeds from human eyes. He may be a criminal, a thief, a murderer, and an adulterer, but so long as he is not discovered, the law cannot condemn him as guilty. The law of God is simple and easily understood. If the children of men would, to the best of their ability, obey this law, they would gain strength of mind and power of discernment to comprehend still more of God's purposes and plans. And this advancement would be continued not only during this present life, but during the eternal ages. For however far he may advance in knowledge of God's wisdom and power, there is always an infinity beyond. Since the law of the Lord is perfect, every variation from it must be evil. Obedience was the only condition upon which ancient Israel was to receive the fulfillment of the promises that made them the highly favored people of God, and obedience to that law will bring as great blessings to individuals and nations now as it would have brought the Hebrews. Thank you for listening. This is your daily devotional. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.